smoked turkey and blueberry cobbler on the Green Mountain Pellet Grill. Yeah! We got him! All right, let's get this baby cooked up. It's gonna be on our Daniel Boone, which is the medium-sized unit. We've got them at Heat Wave. Stop on by, check them out. Alrighty, so we're just prepping our turkey breast here. We've got a bone-in turkey breast, got the ribs. We want to just pat it down, get rid of some of that excess juice and blood off of it. I like to use a little bit of olive oil, just some cooking oil, any kind of cooking oil you want to use. We're going to just put a little bit of that on there and rub it in. So we're prepping this turkey for the Green Mountain Pellet Grill today. It's going to be on our Daniel Boone, which is the medium-sized unit. And we're going to throw a little bit of the Green Mountain Grill poultry seasoning on it. Going to go on our turkey right there. And we're going to go and put it right on it pretty thick. This is what we're putting on it. We're not going to do anything else but Green Mountain Grill seasoning today. Alrighty, we're gonna throw it on and get it smoking. The Green Mountain Grill, we're running it at about 260, 270 today. Best part about the Green Mountain Grill is it's super even heat, so we won't even really have to touch this. We're just gonna put that on there, set it, and forget it. While our turkey's smoking on the grill, we're gonna assemble our blueberry cobbler. So let's start assembling our cobbler. First, I've got hand-picked blueberries. Then you're gonna get your sugar. Sugar goes right in it. And we're gonna have some orange juice. Add a little juice to it. That's gonna be the base to our cobbler. Okay, so there's the base to our cobbler. And then are gonna be our breading, or our cobbler crust. We've got flour, a little bit of baking powder, and we're gonna add just a pinch of salt. Don't need a lot of salt, just a pinch. Gonna mix that up. Okay, now for the last little bit, we got a couple eggs. We're gonna use a a whole cup of butter, and then a little pinch of vanilla extract. Add our butter, softened butter, and a little more sugar. Our berries, we're going to use the skillet today. A little extra flavor. Okay. So there's our blueberry and sugar mixture. And now our cobbler topping. All right, now it's just gonna go on the grill. That cobbler should only take about 40 minutes. We're running that at about 350, 40 minutes. It'll be till it gets nice and brown on the top. All righty, our turkey looking done here. All right, let's see how our cobbler's looking. Oh man, am I ready to try this. Almost fell right apart, Eddie. Wow. Wow. That is excellent right there. Now I gotta try the cobbler too. Delicious. Awesome, awesome job. Thank you very much for spending time with the Backwoods Grill Monster. That was our smoked turkey and blueberry cobbler, Gobbler Cobbler. Eddie, I can't believe you didn't get us a wild turkey. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Okay.
You or...
Yep. Me too.
Stop.
Sorry.
Start like waking up. No, wake up. Yeah. We can get that looking good, right? How do you like it done? Medium well done, bird chard, roadkill, or running?